If you're a guy and you sleep with your mouth open or you snore, here's what happens. You're decreasing the oxygen levels in your blood, which is contributing to disruptions and putting a strain on your cardiovascular system. Your body was built to breathe through your nose, to foster an environment that promotes uninterrupted restorative sleep. By ensuring your mouth stays shut throughout the night with your mouth taped shut, you're encouraging your body to function as it was built to, for maximum gains. So remember,